What's up, guys? Look at her. There it is. There's Project Darkside pulling up. Needs a rear light. But check her out. Oh! 33-inch bkts, baby. What? Look at that ground clearance. 16 inches of ground clearance to the lowest spot. Sucker's loud.
Yeah, it is loud. It's a little too loud.
So guys, look what Clay did to his bike. I just explained it a little bit. I don't know if you could hear me over all that noise, but so Clay, you know what possessed you to do this?
Honestly, I've just been watching all the dudes on YouTube, and I noticed everybody's running 33s, so I figured I better up my game and put some 33s on my bike.
Because of YouTube.
I mean, everybody on
YouTube, man, it's so impressionable. Everybody else has 33s on freaking YouTube.
Be getting stuck in all the holes everybody else that with 33s done.
Well, just
made.
watch on YouTube and don't go through the holes they go through. Share, guys. New HD wheels. What is 18-inch?
18-inch HD wheels.
So if you've got a 570, apparently you can fit 33-inch BKTs with 18 stock.
It's got a 2-inch lift.
Well, you know what I'm saying. Like, you don't need footwells, you don't need a huge lift kit, you don't need extended arms, you don't need like everything, you know.
None of that.
None of that. You better get a clutch kit though. This one already had the Dalton kit in it. But yeah. So she's done. For now.
For now.
Looks good. So yeah, guys, Clay's Project Darkside here. We will definitely see what she's got. We might end up going to a park soon or something and go test these bikes out. I'll post also the vids of the Outlander. So I guess I'll say because of Clay, I had to go and put 32s on my bike. So, you know. But this sucker looks good. It looks mean. It's running good. Nothing's broke yet. U-joints look good. All of it. My little fair lead I threw on there. Oh yeah, dude. It's got some wear on it. Alright, guys.
Test out the fair lead.
Right? Well, guys, Project Darkside. There she is. There's an update on that. If y'all would hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you'll be notified when we post new content. And we will see you in the next one.